Alright guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create a slice text effect in Affinity Photo 2. Now I'm going to use my pen tool to make the selection for the slice. To get to your pen tool, you can hit P on your keyboard. If it has the node tool selected, you can just hit P again and it will toggle between the two. Now I just need to draw out my slice with my pen tool. We're going to go around here and we're going to close it. Now right now it's an actual path. What you have to do is go up here to pen and then select selection. Now you have an active selection. You want to go over here to your layers panel and over layer mask you want to click and then click mask. Once you have your mask, you want to select the layer and then hit Ctrl J or right click and then select duplicate. It'll do the same thing. I'm going to go ahead and select the layer below, and I'm going to select that layer mask. This is the first problem I ran into when I was trying to create this effect, and I wanted to show you in case you run into the problem as well. So, I currently have the selection still selected. I also have the layer mask selected. In order to invert a layer mask, all you have to do is hit Control I. I believe it's Command I on a Mac. So I'm going to go ahead and do that right now. And if you look at the layers panel, it completely hid everything and filled my whole layer with black. So I'm going to hit Control Z and then it goes back to what it was before. The problem here is I have an active selection. So I'm going to go ahead and deselect everything. And I'm going to hit Control D to do that. And then I'm going to make sure I have that layer mask selected once again and I'm going to hit Control I. This time it does what I wanted it to do to begin with. So if you run into that problem, just make sure you currently don't have an active selection. Now that I have my mask complete, I'm going to go ahead and select the actual layer and not the mask. And I'm either going to use my mouse or I'm going to use my arrow keys. And I'm going to go ahead and move it down and over a little bit. I'm going to go over here and I'm going to make a new layer. I'm going to go to my brush tool, which is B, and then I have stabilizer on, so it's going to look a little weird. And I'm going to draw a line. Wow. Okay, we're going to draw a line, and as you can see, it looks really bad, but that's okay. And then I'm going to create a clipping mask. I'm going to draw my line layer into that bottom part of the word slice. This is going to create a clipping mask. And then I'm going to go ahead and turn down the opacity. Just like Photoshop, you can hover the word opacity, click, and then drag. If you don't want to go into the drop down right there, we're just going to lower it down and you can adjust it as needed. But it's that simple to create a slice text effect in Affinity Photo 2. If you want me to cover anything specific, please leave me a comment below. And as always, if you made it this far, thanks so much for watching, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye!